Welcome to all of you corporate finance professionals in medium to large enterprises worldwide. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. Many of you have responsibility for building out the financial statements for your organizations. This particular training program from the Corporate Finance Institute will equip you with the best practices for building out high quality, high integrity, and accurate income statements, balance sheets, as well as discounted cash flow statements for your organizations. The program focuses on best practices in Excel and related financial management tools, building financial models for your organization, as well as the preparation process for gathering the information and the data you need to build out these financial models. Now, the program focuses on model setup and assumptions, as well as forecasting revenues down to EBITDA, along with forecasting working capital and PP&E, forecasting capital structure for your organization, as well as review and audit from third-party accounting organizations and firms. And finally, a detailed case study as well as qualified assessment for your organization. And finally, let me just add, this program will also help earn you credit towards achieving your FMVA, Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst certification from CFI, the Corporate Finance Institute. So I suggest that you click on the link below our video. Our website, as always, has the full course curriculum, details on how you can register today, as well as how you can earn credit towards achieving your FMVA certification. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.